Hey everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to use map filters to refine what type of places you want to see while using the iOverlander app. Filters can be used on the free tier, but I will also cover how you can create saved filters for quick and easy reference. This is a premium feature. I'm going to launch the app and the app will open up on the Explore screen. All iOverlander users have the ability to show specific places and categories using filters. Pro and Unlimited subscribers can also create saved filters. More on that in a minute. Let me show you how filters work. To access filters, you're going to tap on this icon on the Explore screen. At the very top, you will see three buttons: Load, Save, and Clear All Filters. We'll come back to these shortly. Below these buttons are three options to enable or disable specific views. Show Closed Places will show all places that are closed. Closed place icons are gray in color. If you have favorites and you want to show your favorites, you can toggle it on or off here. You can also do this on the Explore screen by tapping on this icon. Now let's go back to that filter screen. The option below allows you to filter out places that have no images. So if you want to see places that only have images, you're going to turn that on here. If you want to see places that have been visited within a specific set of time, you can filter out other places by selecting the date range here. If you want to collapse any of these filters, you can simply tap on this little caret icon and that group will collapse. Now we get into the fun filters. You can select any category and show only the selected categories by selecting as many of them as you like. Selected categories are shown with a blue check mark. And if you go back to the Explorer screen, you will see only those categories displayed. If you go back to filters, you can clear all the filters simply by tapping Clear All Filters. So what if you want to have a specific category that has a specific amenity? Let's say, for example, established campgrounds. I'm going to tap on amenity filters and I want a campground that has electricity. I'm going to tap on that and then I'm going to tap on the check mark in the top right. It takes me back to the Explorer screen. And you will see campgrounds that only have electricity in the amenities selected. There might not be as many as some users simply don't add any amenities. So if you're not seeing what you want, simply go back to the filters and you refine your search. Don't forget that when you check into a place, you can also update these amenities as needed. Again, I'm going to clear all my filters. Now let's say you have a specific set of categories that you want to see all the time, but sometimes you want to toggle between views to see other categories. To create a saved filter, you need to be subscribed to Pro or Unlimited. And then you can simply select the criteria that you want displayed. For this video, I'm just going to say fuel stations, and then right at the top, you can see the Save Filter button is now active. You can tap on that and type in a name that you will easily recognize as your filter set. I'm going to tap on Save. And then I'm going to go back to the Explorer screen and only those pins will show up that is in my saved filters. If I go back and I load other filters, let's say camping, that has been verified within the last 3 months, I load that, go back to the Explorer screen, now I only see that. So that makes it really easy to switch between sets of filters using the saved filters function. And again, if you want to clear all of them, tap on the Clear All Filters. If you needed to delete any filters, you can simply tap on the trash can icon and that will remove it from your set. And then you can load a new set or simply go back to the default view of showing all places. So that is how you use filters on the Explore screen. Let us know what you think in the comments below or send us an email to support@ioverlander.com. Thanks for watching.